Hello guys, how are you? I think you are fine. Guys, this is my crop and my crop growing up and almost my crop is growing up. So there is my crop and this is the road you can see and this is the another people field. This field is not mine and there is my mom and my mom cutting the grass and in this field the coriander plants cut before some day and there is a grass for my cows and there is a mustard tree and now at time mustard tree is not mustard tree is raw pakna ko I don't know the in now time I don't know ripe means mustard tree is not ripe now time and there is a garlic plant. This is my garlic plant and the earth the soil is not wet is dry and this is you can see and there is another people my neighborhood and he is cutting their crops because that crops grown up, that's why he started harvesting. So guys, this is my field and there is a road and in front of me the construction work is starting and progress and there are peoples walking on the road. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video for speak English, village vlogs, nature and etc more. So guys, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.